Hi guys, here's the quickest way to transfer songs to your iPhone. So simply open your browser and search for CopyTrans. So this is the website, open it, go to downloads and download the CopyTrans Manager. Download, and I will download the zip file. So the download has been completed, show in folder, and simply open the zip file. You can use WinRAR. Open this file. By the way, you can also extract it or open it directly. Let me close this all. And here is CopyTrans. Let me quickly connect my iPhone to PC. Make sure you unlock your iPhone and give necessary permissions. Yes. So here are all the tracks of my iPhone. Now let's add the music. Simply drag it here. So here is my song. Click update. And it's all good. Now the song is here, that is, it's available on the iPhone too. By the way, you must also have iTunes installed for this to work, but you don't have to open it. Thank you very much.